We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give update for my last video. All right. If you refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, I mentioned if we want to look for buy, we have to get the correction. This is what we were expecting because we mentioned we want the price to break this top. Okay, now we get this, the price is correcting. We want to see how we can trade it. Okay, the first things, if we want to trade, if we look at this one with this internal correction, if we get one move down, all right, then any buy from there we will take it because it can give us a opportunity to get the better trade setup, at least a sharp move on flag. And the another option is to have entry above this. If the price drop one more, we're talking about this one, we expect the price to drop one more, whether we get the buy setup within this range or have entry above this. Okay, and what we want the price to break this one and continue, and it give us a bigger correction, can give us better confirmation. Okay, how about if this is the only the price correct from here? Okay, if we move to lower time frame, because now we can look for the breakout of this. Okay, that's mean if we move to for 15 minutes. Okay, if we put our line here, can we trade the breakout? We could consider this is a breakout. Okay, right now if we have a correction here, if this one become a bit deeper, we have two options, having entry above this or here. Okay, but having entry above this, if we get the trade price, we want the price tag and continue. All right, but if tag, we see the price come to this level, is not moving, we take out the trade because still we can expect for one more down to get the more complex for the continuation. And that's why having entry above this, also if we see tag is not moving, we should take out the trade, will be with. Okay, anyway, having entry whether for above this or here, as we know, is a risky trade, and what we want the price tag and continue. Okay, that's why I mentioned if the price can drop one more, can give us a better opportunity. But right now we see if we get any trade setup from here to this top, we trade it. Then from there we see whether there is a continuation or not. Okay, anyway, we are within this correction, we want to see whether we get the more complex correction similar to what I drew here, or at least the price to give us one move up flat for continuation, or this is the only correction. Anyway, any trade setup we get, we want the price to break this one, all right, this top and continue. And if we move to 4 hour chart, all right, based on, if I move this one to, okay, based on 4 hour chart, as I say, if we get the more complex correction, we can put this one relative to this and what we expect the price to break this top. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart, we see how we can trade it, and based on the daily chart we have nothings. All right, if I move to 1 hour chart, anyway, we just follow the chart, we see whether we can get the trade from here. And for those traders, they want to trade this one again. If they get the trade, as long as the price come to this top, we see it's not moving, we start to manage it, at least move or stop loss to break even. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.